you definitely do not need to diagram this, but just to clarify, what does only if mean? Then. So this is, if you should buy, let's put should buy, then it must be the case that it's authentic, or at least you can verify its authenticity, or you like it, right? I'm just going to simplify this. And you like it, sorry, not or. You guys cool with that? So, the application says that this person should not buy this vase she found on the internet. If it's saying that she should not buy it, then let's find the contrapositive. What's the contrapositive here?
It's not authentic whatever.
Yeah, if it's not authentic or you don't like it, then don't buy it. Because if you want to buy it, you need to meet both of these criteria. So if you fail either one of them, then you shouldn't buy it. Claire?
Yeah, I just am having this problem where I get the answer right, but it would have taken me 4 times longer if I did it that way.
Well, I'm not saying, that's why I started out by saying you definitely don't need to diagram this. If you understand that these are necessary conditions, that this principle is saying you need to do both of these things, and if you don't have either one, then you shouldn't buy it, then you're fine. And in fact, I think that's how most people will approach it. But some people flip it around because they see only if, and they see that if, and they think that means if. Mm-hmm. So they think it means if A and L, then SB. Mm-hmm. And then you're going to go down some wrong path. This is just to clarify. So answer choice E is correct because it says that it can't be authenticated. Therefore, you shouldn't buy it. That fills in the problem that we identified, right? Because the problem here is that they never talked about either one of these things. That's the correct answer. Which ones are we debating? Anyone choose C?
I chose B on accident.
Yeah.
Oh, B on accident.
Yeah. I didn't read it as well, but I
Oh, okay. Yeah, remember, this test is all about reading. What one?
I
B?
chose E, then B.
Oh, okay, so what makes B wrong? Although the seller is willing to take back the vase.
focuses on
Yeah.
That's okay. E is correct because it just says you can't authenticate.
Does it have to do with the value?
why B is wrong.
Nope. Value doesn't matter here. Why is B wrong?
It doesn't say anything about whether or not she likes it.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter because either one of these things will guarantee that she shouldn't buy it. You can't authenticate it, doesn't matter how much you like it. In fact, answer choice E says that she does like it, right? Oh, it doesn't say that. No, it says she likes the color and the features. I mean, I don't know. So she likes something. That doesn't matter. The fact that it's not authenticated means you shouldn't buy it. So, yeah.
So, the willingness to take back the vase if it's like independently authenticated, like that is not cemented as a thing. It's not saying that like, oh, it's not real. So it's not.
So what's the key word here?
Willing, cannot, I don't know.
Cannot is good here because if she can't authenticate it, then she shouldn't
Yeah.
buy it. Yeah?
Well, but it still has her buying it in the first place, even though it's not authenticated. It's saying that after she buys it, she can return it if it doesn't live up to this expectation.
Okay.
But it's
So
doesn't.
she
actually-
still bought it
But she still bought it
prematurely.
without having it be authenticated.
Okay. I think another problem here is it says if.
Right.
So can she authenticate it? We have no idea. Maybe she can. And if she can, then you're not necessarily guaranteed to say she shouldn't buy it. But you also have this timing problem, right? Like, you've already bought it. I mean, I guess she can return it. This is a weird twist of it. But anyways, if is a killer here, the time is a killer here. This is not good enough to now say, oh, therefore she shouldn't buy it. All right. Questions? Okay. Actually, I think the bigger issue here is the word if, because if she bought it beforehand, then that's sort of going against the conclusion, right? Like now she's bought it. And we need to show that she shouldn't buy it. Yeah. So, but bottom line, we don't know whether she can authenticate it. Okay.